LambTDM.
Hello, LambTDM here, and today we're playing more Mariokart 8 Deluxe. Let's play. It's Grand Prix 100cc, and let's pick my me. That looks like a nice cart. Very nice. Now let's do the new cut. The Lucky Cat Cup. Let's race. Oh, this looks like Tokyo. I think it is. Now. 3, 2, 1, and go! Excuse me. Whoa! We are! Whoa, it's so fast. Oi! Let's go up here. And let's get these and yay! Whoa! Ouch! Ooh! Oh! There's a shell. And wee! Oh, they're coming! Ooh, a lovely coin. And we. Oh! Ouch! Oh! And whoosh! Wee! Let's throw the shell at him. And ha ha ha! Oh! Wee! Let's go over here. Oh! Ah! Welcome to Tokyo. And oh, hello. Oh, sorry. Who are you? Ooh. Oh, under the bridge. And oh, let's get this power up. It's a coin. And a bomb, quick throw it. Oh! And yes, we came first. 15 points. Let's go to the next race. And ooh, Shroom Ridge. This looks very nice. 3, 2, 1, and go! Ooh, round the corner. Ooh, there's a tree and Mario's work gear. And whoa! Let's go this way. And oh, I keep bumping everywhere. And oh, that car should watch where they're going. Oh, maybe I can. Ouch! Maybe I can go in the taxi that I saw. And ooh, a little horn. Oh, honk, 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 honk. Ooh, we got a coin. And oh, ouch. Oh no, I'm a bit small, help. And help, I'm tiny, really. Help! And oh, that's better. And wee. Oh. Whoa, and ouch. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Quick, and oh, we're on the final lap. Wee. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Wee. Oh. We've got another horn. Honk. And ooh, a coin. And whoa. Oh. Wee. Ouch. Whoa. And oh. Ouch. And we came first again.
That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye.